Let's draw a web.
D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Let's start by putting a dot right in the middle of the paper. Next, we're going to draw lines through that dot. 4 lines through that dot. Let's start over here. We're going to go straight through. Ready? There's 1. Now let's start over here, like we're making a big X. Remember, we're going to go through that dot, just like that. Next, we're going to come over here. We're going to go straight through that dot. Ready? Right through the middle. And then the last one's going to start from the top and come down. Okay, so now we have our long lines. Now we have to add in the curves. Okay, so let's start from the middle. And all we're going to do is we're going to draw a curve from line to line all the way around. Watch as I start. Let's go curve, 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 and curve, curve, curve. Okay, now we're going to do that again, except we're going to move it out a little bit. Ready? Let's start here. And we'll make a curve, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's start here. We're going to do it again. We'll start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then one more time. Ready? We'll go all the way out here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a web. Will you draw anything else on the web, in the web, around the web? I wonder what your imagination can come up with. Thanks for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.